Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. Got another flavor of the Nature Valley. They just keep popping up. This is the sweet and salty, still on that, that line of sweet and salty nut. This one here is the dark chocolate peanut and almond. 160 calories. General Mills, Sales Incorporated. Roasted peanuts, corn syrup, sugar, whole grain oats, dark chocolate chunks. And in the dark chocolate chunks, you got sugar, chocolate liquor. It says chocolate liquor. If you can see that or not. Where is it at? It's in this area right in here. Can't get it to focus. Anyway. Chocolate liquor. Cocoa butter, soy lecithin, natural flavor. Okay, then we got palm kernel oil, rice flour, almonds, whole grain wheat, fructose, cocoa. All right, let's just get into this thing. Man, it smells good. It smells like dark chocolate, and it smells like cocoa, like baker's chocolate type cocoa. Oh yeah, that smells good. It smells like hot chocolate, kinda. Yeah, it smells a lot like hot chocolate. Some big old chocolate chunks there. Nice layer of chocolate setting on. Yeah, you can see the oats. It's all glistening, shiny with that corn syrup coverage on there. Big chocolate chunks. See the peanuts. Can't see the almonds yet. Yeah, it's almonds. Okay. All right, well, let's see. Oh man, that's really good. Nice chocolate taste, dark chocolate. It's got the semi-sweet kind of chocolate chip kind of taste. Tastes like hot chocolate. Doesn't say that on here, but just has that taste. Nice level of sweetness. About a medium. And oats. The liquor is hidden in here. That could probably throw people if they looked at it, you know. Of course, if you have any common sense, you're gonna know that they can't sell something like this to just anybody. If it did actually have liquor in it, but they don't. But I don't know how they can call it that, but interesting. Getting the oats, peanuts. Good, really good flavor. Nice snack in the morning that you had an early lunch. I mean early breakfast, and you're waiting to get to lunchtime. Tide you over for sure. Very nice. Okay, well that's Nature Valley dark chocolate, peanut, and almonds. Sweet and salty, yeah, getting the both. Getting the saltiness, getting the sweetness, getting a little bit of the bitter, just a little bit of the bitter chocolate. It's not that bitter, but you can tell it's dark chocolate. That's very good. Try one of these out if you find them. They're well, great. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you all on the next one. Have a good day.